Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Windows or Mac in 2025. Whether you're setting it up for work, school, or personal meetings, I'll guide you step by step so you can start using Teams right away. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Teams download. Click the official Microsoft link that says Download Microsoft Teams. Once on your page, choose Download for Desktop. Then select your operating system, Windows or Mac. After the file downloads, open it to start the Teams installer. Follow the prompts to finish installation. It only takes a few moments. Once installed, open your Microsoft Teams from the Start menu on Windows or Applications folder on Mac. Click Sign In, then enter your Microsoft account, email, and password. If you're using a work or school account, use those credentials instead. After signing in, your Teams dashboard will load where you can chat, create meetings, and join calls. And that's how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Windows or Mac in 2025. It's quick, easy, and gets you ready to connect and collaborate instantly. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. See you in the next one.